What's going on, everybody? This is Chef Barnyard Dreams back at it with another video. So today we're going to be making a sweet potato shake. And this is for people who don't have trouble gaining weight, you know, or you're trying to just gain more weight. This is what I use to gain weight. So let's get to it. So this is the ingredients you're going to need. Honey. You can either use powdered peanut butter or regular peanut butter. It's up to you. Olive oil. I personally use heavy whipping cream. I think heavy whipping cream tastes a lot better. Again, it's up to you. Greek yogurt, sweet potato, and some steel cut oats. And so, now we need some milk from the fridge. Yo, what the do y'all see that? Someone just like drank all the milk. Alright, so I guess we're going to use this Fairlife for today. Pithash roommates. Now that we got our milk, I'm just going to add these two in there. Put some milk in there. It just depends on how thick you want it. Stick it like a spoon or a fork. No, wait. No. I'm gonna put some powdered peanut butter in there. I forgot to clean a spoon out, so we're gonna put like 2 scoops, 3 scoops in there. Okay, put some honey in there. A little bit of olive oil. Alright, struggling opening the banana. Always a good sign. Banana in there. Then 1 cup of oats. Then we're going to blend it together. There is your sweet potato protein shake. Alright, we're going to try this out. Delicious.